Several forex traders hinder their success because they don't have the right access to softwares for them to work with. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use this particular platform without any subscription so you can get access to proper backtesting tools and how to maximize gains while trading the FX markets. Into this community, this is Nigeria Finance, and let's dive right into the chat while you subscribe. Let's do this. All right, so currently we are the system and we can open GoChatting.com. All right, so when you open GoChatting.com, you see this chat open over here. Yeah, I'm currently logged in already, but if you're not logged in, you'll need to register an account on GoChatting.com. I'm going to leave a link in description so you can actually see a link, all right, so you can register successfully. At the time of creating this video, I have 0 ideas of what I can earn with affiliates or anything like that. I'm just creating this video so I can learn from it, all right? But if after editing everything I see some updates, you'll get in them in the description. All right, so basically we have a good response of GoChatting. As you can see, you can effectively use them to analyze, and the best feature I like about it is the back testing. So basically, once you sign up, you log in successfully to your email, you can come here. So let's say you want to analyze the Euro USD charts. Okay, so that's gonna be the Euro USD. You can see different brokers and which of them you like over here. So I'm going to work on with the one all right, so we can work with that. And when you see this, you can clearly see your charts over here. All right, so basically your chart is over here. The name of what you're working with, okay? This is it over here. This is what we're talking about. All right, so you can see the time frame over here. So you can change the time frame. This is the 4 hours time frame. You can see the 1 minute chart, 3 minutes chart, 5 minutes, 15, 30 minutes, and even down to the cost of time frame. All right, so you can work with that. You can see different charts. Right, currently using candlestick charts. But if you start trading, whereas this area line charts or the rest, it depends on you. But I work mainly with candlestick charts, and this is what we have candlestick charts over here. If you want to go into indicators, you feel indicators work with your strategies. That's cool. But I am a price action trader plus a smart money concept trader. This means I work with other blogs, I work with liquidations, I work with market views and the rest. Okay, price is what I'm really studied to make my decision on where I should actually maximize gains. People still call it the ICT trading strategy. Okay, so whatever I call it, you can maximize gains from it. So basically, this is the 4 hours time frame. We are somebody that actually trades. You see on the left part here, these are where you see your tools you can work with. And on the right here, you see these aspects. So you can zoom in, go over your mouse on this end, and see just zoom in, zoom out. And you can just zoom in, zoom out, and play with all this concept here. All right, so allow you to see the charts better. That's exactly what you can do right here. You can see your arrowhead, and you can drag your screen when you actually hold on your left mouse button. I can see you can easily do that. All right, so like I mentioned, this is your cursor. There are different types you can pick it up and see how to work with it. But let me show you the drawing tools. Let's say you want to measure a line or you want to work with arrow tools. You want to draw some things like this. You can actually do this. This is just one arrow to show you illustrations. I'll be using that in more of our videos. Well, let's say you want to make something more complex than just an arrow. All right, I'm going to show you a part to show you how this market is moving. I can do this. Come down, show you the market is going this way and it's coming this way. So with this part, you can actually analyze the market properly to know uptrend, downtrend movements. Currently, we're in an uptrend based on this part we are seeing on the 4 hours charts. All right. So from here down, we're going up. We're currently trying to see if this uptrend is going to continue. If it breaks this aspect and keeps on going up, but if it doesn't, you see it's going to come down. All right. So that's how you check out the aspect. Like I mentioned, I'm an ICT trader, smart money concept trader, price action trader. So basically, that's how I roll with the market. You can actually right click and delete what you don't using. It's as easy as that. All right, so you can go through other concept, the arrow marker, the rectangle. Rectangle is what majority of us will be working with. Guys, will show you regions of support and resistance, right? And you can customize it depending on how you want it. So if you're customizing it, you can always change the way it looks like, as the color and the rest. All right. Let's say I want it to look something like this. Take it more to the blue side, take more to the red side, just keep on changing it and you have what you want. So it's more of your fit option. What you want is what you get. You get. So it's really, really that simple. All right. So you don't need to cram. It's not a math calculation you have to think about. Okay. So you can easily do that without stress. All right. So that, by the way, I'm done with showing you this concept here. And you can see the support and resistance zones. I'm not showing you strategy in this video. I'm just showing you how to maximize it. Let's say you found a break of structure, like initially somewhere here in the markets, there's a break of structure. You can come here right now. All right, place your text to here. double click on your test tool, come here. All right, backspace. You can see you can remove what's there and just type out. You can use capital lock if you wish, or take it out. It depends on you. Type out break or structure. So I'll type putting up type out break or structure. So something like this, you've seen this in more of my videos because I'll be using teaching. You can just show, oh, the structure that was there initially has been broken. All right. If you have backtested to several charts, you see that this line has been holding place. I see, oh, it has broken up and came back here to retest the zone. All right. So this is usually one part of the strategies we work with. Once it breaks up the structure, there's a zone left behind for it to fill. It came back to retest it, and during this retest, we look for reactions. Take us to the up. So must have entered in buy around here based on the reactions seen in the markets. All right. So I'm not, like I mentioned, I'm not explaining strategy in this video. Simply going to show you how to use this tool over here. So this is a fixed range volume. This is where you can check for Fibonacci retracement tools. We have Fibonacci trader. All right. SMC strategy. You can use Fibonacci in making your confluence well known. All right. So Fibonacci traders, we will want to use Fibonacci in daily market. So you can see that had different zones. I'm actually just showing you from a random point of view. All right, just showing different zones. You can see 23.6, 38.2, just like that. See the zones, and in business strategy, you should know how to use them. People usually trade up Fibonacci from swing low to swing high, which is what I still work with, swing low to swing high, and see points of rejections in markets. You can flip these figures, okay, depending on how you want it to be. That's for Fibonacci work. All right, so I'm going to delete this so we can have space to see how the market plays out. All right, so with Fibonacci out, you can see a horizontal line at the left hand corner. So you can come here and put your horizontal line. There should be a horizontal rate so you can work with. All right, so it depends on how you want it to be. All right, so there's draw mode where you can actually adjust this today, and I think there's a pro version too. There's draw mode, there's magnet mode, there are other modes you can work with. But you can see it here is actually showing you, right? So there are several modes here, but you don't really need, if you want to hide all objects at once, I can hide them. If I want to unhide all of them, I can show them directly. Want to delete all objects, delete everything on the chart, you can delete everything at once. Send to withdrawings. And then here you can use the measure to space or click to start. So if I click on space, it will actually start up, all right, successfully with the measure tool. You can manage your drawings. If I had several drawings here, I can effectively manage all of them properly. So you can see it's very, very basic to work with it. If you come to the bottom, you see all that tools here. You don't really need the majority of these because you might start upgrading if you need them. Now work with 2 column charts easily, but when it comes to 4, you'll be asked to upgrade right with time. So basically, learn how to manage all your charts successfully so you can see how to effectively work with them. I don't think you really need the 4 right now. Even just 1 is enough. But you want to see, maybe test different candlesticks pattern or test different strategies or use several concepts. If that's when you can start adjusting it on individual charts. All right, so basically you can see your time frames here again. You can save your charts. Financials, ledger, trade, one click, and you have everything over here. All right, so basically this is how GoChat plays out. I believe I'll be able to show you this concept. So to show you how to actually do your backtesting, let's go to the one chart successfully and take this down. This is from our time frame. So we're using for our time frame to check our replay tool. So this is a replay tool, one of the features I really love that took me from trading view to GoChat, so I can effectively work with my mentees. Majority of mentees talk about ways to backtest that for trading view. So this is how this GoChatting comes about, right? So you can just take it down to where you want to cut off. Imagine, okay, so let me take it back to the future. Let me show you. Click on replay tool, right? And this red line comes up. So you double click to select candle start or replay mode. So when you're replay mode, you can see over here replay mode on. I'm just going to take it. Let's say I want to analyze for March 4th. Double click here, it will wipe out every other market candle, and then you can basically work from here. So you can start playing, it counts them, right? 1 second per bar. They already had like a zone marked out. Let's say for instance, we had a zone marked out at triangle 2, rectangle 2, and now we're expecting something to happen here. For instance, we analyze it already. Okay, I'm just drawing this to show you something so you can easily see what happened for the market got to this zone and how it worked out. You can see what just happened here. So basically, it's just how you test how the market reacts to things in the past, as if you are still in the concepts, right, of the past. So basically, I believe this has been able to help. You can see when we see this breakup structure, based on this analysis, you'll be waiting for it to come back here, retest, just keep on waiting. And when it happens, This will show you how it's uploaded and what you can do when you're in that kind of situation. So you can see touch here, rejections to the upside, rejections to the shares. So somewhere around here that waiting for a signal to get into the buy. Exactly somewhere around here, I want to buy and then wait for the market to take your TP up, pending on your strategy for TP, and then you see how your market plays out. I believe this has really helped you, so you see how to backtest business strategies, and I believe this video has been helpful. I believe from this tutorial, you'll be able to learn how to effectively backtest your strategies without risking your phones, and you know how it works here on GoChat on your laptop, and you can check that also on your mobile app. This is not a promoted video. This is me helping you out with something easy for you to work with. You also like this video if you actually gained value from it. Subscribe to this community for more content like this and share it for more tips. Interested in following me up on WhatsApp? Check me out on our Forex communities for free signals, and if you're ready to go in for mentorship, send me a DM via the link in the description and I'll guide you today. Well done.